Daniel, welcome back to carburetorsandmore.com, 832-221-4007. This is the third of your four carburetors here. The first one done, I'm going to get them all done and then test them all at the same time and then send you the bill. So, I don't know what it's going to do. Oh, we are out of gas here. So, hang on, hold on, talk amongst yourselves. Do, 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 do. I should have probably checked the tank first. But you know, it's so hot out here, it's just hot. No adjectives need to be said. It's Texas on the Gulf Coast in the middle of summer. I believe the term is hot enough to make the devil sigh. Okay, here we go. Let's see if we can... Hey, we got a pump. Right on. Thing sounds terrible. Anyways. Come on, carburetor. Here we go. Oh. Got to turn the pump back on. That always helps. Yeah, it needs to be cleaned and fixed, and you did a good job of sending it here. All right, which obviously is, you know. Oh, and by the way, got the frozen one fixed. You'll see that here after a while. So, Daniel, thank you for sending your carburetors to us here at carburetorsandmore.com. Phone number is 832-221-4007.